know what fillers are and how to use them in your day-to-day speaking? Hi, I'm Melinda and I want to show you how a few words, phrases and sounds will help you to sound more fluent in English. Here are some examples. Look at the question, do you enjoy shopping? A possible answer is, well, not really. I often find it quite frustrating because... Or I could say, not really. I often... And we can combine fillers to give us more time to think. So I could repeat part of the question and join some fillers together. So for example, shopping. Gosh, to be honest, no, not really. I often find it... In these examples, the fillers provided time to think, and they are perfectly natural elements of native speaker speech. Note the extra L's on well. When we use it for thinking, we stretch it out. It becomes, well, and the same for and We often stretch out that final sound. So here are some more examples of fillers. The first group are easy to use and there are no particular rules except don't use them too often. Let me think about that. Let me see. Are quite common, but you wouldn't use them if someone asks about a very familiar topic, like your hometown or about shopping. And the same for, that's an interesting question. To be honest is often used when you want to disagree or say you don't like something, or maybe you are unsure. So to be totally honest, I don't really agree with the government's decision. And it's the same for to tell you the truth or to tell the truth. To tell the truth, I'm not really sure what I think about that. As a matter of fact is often used when something is surprising or if the timing is good. As a matter of fact, I'm leaving now. I can drive you home if you like. You can take a screenshot or pause the video to copy them down. And here are some questions you can practice answering. These questions are from Section 1 of the IELTS speaking test. In Section 1, it's a good idea to answer most of the questions in a few sentences. Don't give short answers. Yes and no are not good answers, even if they're true. No one cares if they're true. The examiner just wants to hear you speaking, so give longer answers, maybe 2 or 3 sentences. Shall I give you an example? So I'll look at travel. So the first question there, the examiner asks, do you enjoy travel? So my answer, using fillers, well, gosh, I suppose that I do and I don't. I always love the idea of travelling. I get excited about travelling, but the reality is sometimes a bit ugly. Like 8-hour stopovers at airports can be a bit unpleasant, but on the other hand, wandering the streets of Paris, Barcelona or Havana is such an interesting experience. And I'll give you one more example. This time I'll answer the question about the internet. So the first question, when did you first use the internet? And my answer with fillers, let me see. I started using computers a long time ago. I think about 1987. It was about 1993 when a guy at work told me I should have an email address and he set one up for me. I didn't really know what it was though. Funny to think about that now. So you can see that fillers are quite natural and they give you a bit of time to think. Pause the video and practice with these questions now. And here are 2 more sets of questions you can practice with. So take a screenshot or pause the video now to practice. And a little tip, when you practice, record it on your smartphone. Then you can listen later and see what you did well and what you could improve. So fillers, they're small words, phrases and sounds that give you time to think and make you sound more fluent. You should practice them. See you in the next video.